Buckle up as we count down the best car dryer leaf blowers that make drying your car fast, easy, and impressively streak-free. From power and airflow to nozzle design and ergonomics, this list covers what really helps you finish a wash with confidence. If you're tired of towels, chamois, and endless blotting, stay tuned for ideas that actually speed things up. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car dryer leaf blowers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the KOLENDA 1800G. KOLENDA 1800G is designed to be a reliable, compact partner for car care and outdoor cleanup, delivering a balance of weight, power, and control that makes it a practical everyday tool. It prioritizes a comfortable grip and a nozzle system that can shift from a gentle breeze to a focused blast, ideal for drying hands after a wash or blowing away residual debris from a dashboard or trunk seal. 1800G designation hints at a sensible mass that reduces fatigue during longer sessions, while the motor remains brisk enough to shift air quickly across a surface. Users will notice the quick start responsiveness, a feature that matters when you need a crisp wipe across a wet panel or a stubborn drop of water clinging to a chrome trim. LED indicators help you monitor battery life, and a simple dial allows you to tune the flow without fine-tuning your posture. The KOLENDA 1800G supports a range of attachments that typically include a concentrator nozzle for precision and a wide-mouth nozzle for broad, forgiving bursts. In car drying, that broad burst helps you push water away from tight curves, while the concentrator helps you lift droplets off mirrors and crevices without creating chaotic spray patterns. Design favors one-handed use, with a soft touch grip and a balanced center of gravity that minimizes wrist strain during repetitive tasks. There's a sense that the device is optimized for real-world runs rather than peak spec sheets. It behaves predictably, and that steadiness translates into confidence when you are troubleshooting a stubborn water bead on a door frame or a stubborn leaf lodged behind a wheel well. The battery system is modular, so you can swap in another charged pack for longer sessions, an option that matters for detail work on large vehicles or for blasting away damp soil from a garage floor before detailing. When you compare power curves, you feel a practical, linear response rather than an abrupt spike, which helps you tune your approach and minimize overspray. KOLENDA 1800G balances affordability with a surprising amount of practical performance, serving as a versatile first choice for someone seeking a capable, portable dryer leaf blower that covers both small cleanup tasks and more ambitious drying jobs. Compared to the Hurricane cordless leaf blower, which I have included as number 4 on this list, KOLENDA 1800G offers a lighter form factor and tighter targeting for narrow spaces. At number 4, we have the Hurricane cordless leaf blower. Hurricane cordless leaf blower is built with a focus on ergonomic handling and concise power delivery that suits quick turnarounds in garages and driveways. Its compact grip is shaped to reduce wrist fatigue during repetitive dry-off cycles, and a softly contoured trigger allows you to begin with a gentle breeze and graduate to a robust gust as needed. The blower integrates a fast-charging battery that returns to ready state quickly, letting you move from one vehicle to another without long downtimes. Airflow technology in this model balances a steady, adjustable stream with a compact nozzle system that can be swapped out for precision or wide-area coverage. When you need to dry a fender, a hood, or a row of sidelights after a wash, the Hurricane's reliability shines. Noise is kept within reasonable levels, which matters for indoor uses or apartment dwellers who don't want to disturb neighbors. It offers practical features such as low battery protection, a one-button lock to prevent accidental activation, and an easy clean filter that you can access without tools. Design keeps weight close to the handle, allowing you to maneuver around obstacles without losing control. There is a sense of confidence when you engage the turbo or boost mode for stubborn spots, though the sustainment of power is more measured than some premium models. This makes it an attractive choice for casual users who want solid performance without overbearing complexity. Compared to the generic 300,000 RPM, which I have included as number 3 on this list, Hurricane excels in practical usability and predictable behavior during real tasks. At number 3, we have the generic 300,000 RPM. The generic 300,000 RPM model is a graphic reminder of how far budget tools can go when basic design and simple airflow are the primary goals. The build emphasizes a lightweight shell and straightforward controls that appeal to first-time buyers or those who only occasionally need a dryer leaf blower. While the claimed RPM sits at an attention-grabbing number, the real-world performance is shaped more by airflow efficiency, nozzle design, and battery management than raw speed alone. Notice a compact, sometimes hollow feel in the housing, yet the tool remains functional for quick cleanups, garage sweeping, and light car drying tasks. You get a minimalistic set of attachments, usually a narrow nozzle and a wide blast option, which is enough for broad coverage or targeted droplets, depending on the surface you tackle. Runtime on an average budget pack is modest, so you learn to plan your moves and pace yourself when you're following the curves of a vehicle or the contours of a hood. Noise levels are typical for entry-level devices, not excessively loud, but not particularly quiet either, which means you may want hearing protection if you are on a prolonged session. Maintenance is straightforward. Clean air intake, check the filter, and swap the nozzle without fuss. Compared to the Ego 530, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the generic option sacrifices some efficiency and balance in favor of lower upfront cost. At number 2, we have the Ego 530. The Ego 530 stands out by combining a solid 56-volt battery ecosystem with a brushless motor that delivers reliable, sustained airflow for longer sessions. Its weight is balanced to reduce arm fatigue, and the ergonomics are designed to keep your wrist in a natural position while you sweep, dry, or detail. The variable speed control enables you to tailor the stream from a soft breeze to a powerful gust, which is particularly valuable when you are trying to dry a delicate surface or push water out from a tight seam without splashing elsewhere. Charging cycles are efficient within the Ego lineup, and you appreciate the battery compatibility across other Ego tools, which adds value to an ecosystem you may already own. Durability is evident in the solid housing, with a filter that can be removed quickly for cleaning and a nozzle set that maintains a consistent outlet shape for predictable air patterns. Noise levels are comfortable for extended use, and the design emphasizes a thoughtful balance between power and control so you can maneuver around a car's curves with precision. You also notice how the bulk of performance sits behind the hand, giving you confidence when you reach into tight spaces or along a wheel arch. For serious drying and detailing, the Ego 530 demonstrates the kind of reliability that makes it a long-term purchase. Compared to the generic cordless leaf blower, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Ego 530 offers a clearer power curve, better runtime, and more refined control in real-world use. At number 1, we have the generic cordless leaf blower. Generic cordless leaf blower represents the most accessible entry point for people who want a straightforward tool for home use, quick cleanups, and occasional car detailing. It delivers a modest but usable airflow that covers garage floors, exhaust debris, and light drying tasks with a simple push of a trigger. The weight is manageable, the controls are uncomplicated, and the price reflects the goal of providing a practical, no-frills experience. The battery system is compatible with a range of middle-market packs, enabling users to swap in a spare for longer sessions or smaller packs for light tasks. Nozzle choices are intentionally compact, focusing on speed over sprinting performance, and you will find that this model is enough for a quick wipe across a damp surface or a blower pass to remove moisture from a dashboard and a few droplets from chrome trim. Finish is durable enough for regular use, with a straightforward maintenance routine that includes cleaning the intake, checking the seals, and keeping the filter clear. The practical drawback is that the overall performance can feel less predictable on stubborn moisture or heavy, persistent debris compared to higher-end options in the lineup. Tool shines in situations where cost and simplicity trump peak airflow and extended runtimes. Compared to the KOLENDA 1800G, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the generic cordless blower trades some advanced features for a lower price, but it remains a competent option for basic, fast tasks.